This is the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and even though you might have heard a lot about it already, there's a couple things here we're gonna show you in this unboxing video that you might not have noticed. What's up, friends? I'm Brian McDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So yes, today we do have with me here the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Very excited to unbox this baby and check this thing out. So we're gonna do what we do best and unbox this thing for you. But before we do that, we do need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to Google for sending out this gift from Google for me to be able to check out, use, and enjoy. So Google, thank you. Appreciate you. But with that having been said, we gotta do this. We just gotta go for it. I can't wait any longer. Let's just, the unboxing of the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Quick look at the box, you can see what the 10 Pro XL looks like there on the front. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL on the right side, Google Pixel 10 Pro XL on the left side, a Google logo on top with a leftover sticker residue. Regardless, more information on the bottom with IMEI, serial number information, all that good stuff. We don't care. Let's just see what comes in the box. Two little tabs to untab. One. Two, take this little sleeve off. Ooh, there we go. Little outline of what the Pixel 10 Pro XL looks like on the box. Well, the cover of the box, under the sleeve. So, yes. And now the reveal we've been waiting for, the reveal of the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL in the obsidian color. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Ooh! All right, hold on. Before we get to it, I'm gonna carefully try not to look at it, try not to experience it. Put it off to the side real quick, see what else comes in the box. Also in the box, you are going to notice you do have your USB-C to USB-C cable, which upon carefully, I wasn't even careful with it and I still didn't get it. So just undo this real quick. Okay, there we go. A 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable right there. Up. I missed a little section. Hold on. Underneath the top cover here, you're gonna see a little hideaway compartment with a packet here. And upon opening this up, this is where you're gonna have your little quick start guide, warranty information, all that good stuff. So that is it. That's it. Take a closer look at the star of the show, the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Oh, already loving it. We have some paper to remove, so let's remove it. Hold on a second. Hold on. I had to make sure I was doing it pretty. Let's redo it. Hold on. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at that beautiful mat back there with the Google logo. Oh, and you have your squared edges here. Shiny edges. All around it looks pretty similar to the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which by the way, is around here somewhere. I got her, 9 Pro XL. Let's look at the two side by side. Obviously a different color here, but from a design perspective, couple similarities. For one thing, you still do have that full width camera bar, but now it is a little bit different. It is a little bit taller. And I think a lot of that has to do with the glass rear housing here actually extending further out, so a smaller bezel around the actual glass enclosure there. With the rest of the phone itself, you do still have your power button and your volume rocker on the right side. Nothing on the left side, top or bottom, besides of course your speaker and mic cutout and your USB-C port. You're also gonna notice on the top that the 5G antenna component here of the hardware is gonna be gone from the top on the 10 Pro XL. You can see it over here on the 9 Pro XL. No longer there on the top of the device on the 10 Pro XL. Another little subtle difference. And I don't know if it's just light playing tricks on me or not, but it looks like that Google logo is a little bit bigger on the back of the device now as well. So maybe another little subtle difference right there also. A lot of subtleties here, a lot of subtle differences. And another thing that is very difficult, if not impossible, to see on camera is just a slightly more refined and polished feel where the front glass actually meets the edge. Feels a little bit more smooth, a little bit just more polished on the 10 Pro XL, so it feels that much better in your hand. Maybe it's just because it's a brand new device, but it does feel a little bit more polished right around the edges here. Oh, and another thing I just noticed is on the bottom, you are gonna notice you now have symmetrical cutouts for the microphone and the speaker. So yet another subtle difference right there. And that obviously goes to show that the SIM card tray is now removed on the 10 Pro XL. So symmetrical bottom ports there for the speaker and microphone. And some people were mentioning how they thought that the buttons were clickier and a little bit more responsive on the 10 Pro now, but between the 9 Pro XL and the 10 Pro XL, I'm telling you right now, I'm clicking the both of these. They feel pretty much exactly the same, so I don't think I'm in agreement with any kind of different feel for the buttons. So even though if you were to just glance at either of these devices, you probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference. The differences are there, things that do stand out as subtleties that, again, you might not have noticed the first time around. So pretty cool to see those refinements coming together here in what looks and feels like a really, really nice device. So let's turn it on for the first time. Boom. The Google logo. But here's the thing, you already know, with my unboxing videos, I'm not gonna walk you through the setup process. I'm gonna snap my fingers, it's all gonna be done. It's set up. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL in the Obsidian color, turned on and used for the first time. I am super excited to be able to check this out and see what the 10 Pro XL is all about. There's a lot of AI features, there's some new camera improvements. Of course, I'm interested in those. A lot to test with this device. I'm excited. But if you want to be one of the first to actually see the full review video for this device when it drops on the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you do not miss it. And of course, for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, you'd of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/Google Pixel 10 Pro. Or of course, as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below. So check those out. I am gonna go outside and test out this camera. Ooh, I cannot wait. I feel like I wanted to do this yesterday. I did want to do this yesterday, but now I have it today, so I'm gonna go do it today. Let's go. I will see you guys in my next video.